Hey y'all, so welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I achieved this beautiful braid out, so keep on watching. So I'm starting out with just rinsing my hair and getting all of the old products out so it can revert back to its natural state. I've had this silk press for a little over 2 weeks now, so I'm honestly just really excited about this braid out and having my curly hair back. The shampoo that I'll be using today is the Shea Moisture High Porosity Moisture Replenish Shampoo. I'm not going to lie, I don't really know whether my hair is high porosity or low porosity, but I saw that I had this under my sink, and I remember getting it for free, so I just thought to try it. And if your hair is super thick like mine, I advise parting your hair or putting it into sections and making sure that the shampoo gets your full scalp. So in a bit, you're going to see me shampoo my hair twice. I know that most people only do this when they're about to straighten their hair, but I tend to do this every time, whether my hair be curly, blow dried, or straight, just to ensure that I have a clean and squeaky canvas to work on every time. Starting with the back section of my hair, moving to the front, I'm going to coat my hair with the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Mask. This was my first time trying this mask, and I do have to say that once I washed this mask out of my hair felt not only soft, but it was so moisturized. So I really think that you guys should give this product a try, and let me know down in the comments what you think about it. I'm going in with my tangle teaser just to make sure that I don't have any knots or tangles, and it also ensures that the hair mask coats every single strand evenly. So now I'm just going to twist that section up how I did on the one before, then add a plastic cap to let the mask really penetrate my hair to the fullest. So after about 30 minutes of deep conditioning my hair, I'm rinsing the mask out now. And I don't know if y'all can tell by the difference in appearance of my hair, but baby, let me tell you, it is so soft to the touch. It's clearly more defined, and my hair just feels so rich and luscious after using this hair mask. Just look. I've let my hair sit in this microfiber towel for about 15 minutes, and now it's time for more moisture. The two products that I just used were the Shea Moisture Intensive Hydration Leave-In Milk and the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisture Whip Twisting Cream. Before using the twisting cream to braid up my hair, I like to put moisture back onto the shaft. I find that applying a leave-in product is definitely a staple in my braid out routine to help retain moisture, and this also guarantees giving you shiny, defined results. On my scalp, I'm using my Rosemary and Mint Herbal Oil from my own sister's hair care line. This oil has honestly done wonders for my hair. I've been using it for almost a year now, and I've seen tremendous hair growth. My hair went from being at my ears to now being bra strap length again. So I'll be sure to have our contact info listed down below if you'd like to purchase your own herbal oil and support a Black business. After about a day and a half and a hair wrap later, we're finally ready for the results. The key to this style lasting the way that it does all starts to how you wash and condition your hair. If you don't take the time to get your hair clean enough, you won't have a solid enough base. Also, washing your hair in warm water, not hot water. I know the hot water feels the best in the shower, but hot water causes a dry scalp, which leads to itchiness and dandruff, and it also makes your roots weak, which will then cause frizziness. So just make sure you wash with either warm or cold water. So these are the finished results. That pretty much wraps up this video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.